Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best drone remote start is probably one of the most convenient and efficient ways to control your drone, especially when dealing with complex flight maneuvers or challenging environments. This technology allows pilots to initiate takeoff, landing, and other critical functions from a safe distance using a smartphone or tablet, enhancing safety and operational efficiency while simplifying the overall drone operation process, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. Number 5. Compustar CSX4900-S. Experience the future of remote car starters with the Compustar CSX4900-S. It offers a range of features designed for your convenience and security. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with two-way communication. It confirms your commands with LED lights, letting you know it's working. With an impressive range of up to 3,000 feet, you can start your car from virtually anywhere within that distance. It's perfect for those hot summer days or cold winter nights. Control it all from your smartphone. Start, lock, and unlock your car remotely, all from the convenience of your phone. It's now equipped with Drone X1 LTE for unlimited range. This ensures you can always connect with your vehicle, no matter the distance. It offers keyless entry and a 3x lock start feature for added security and convenience using your OEM remote. It comes with a limited lifetime system warranty and a 1-year remote warranty, giving you the confidence and peace of mind you deserve. Contact your local authorized Compustar installer today for pricing and vehicle compatibility information. They'll get you set up quickly and easily. What we like. It boasts a reliable two-way remote with a wide range. The inclusion of Drone X1 LTE ensures unlimited connectivity. If you need a long-range, reliable system with smartphone integration, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Having a slot built in for the Blade AL is super nice. It makes installing a bit faster and much cleaner than having another bulky box to mount under the dash. Range is really good on the remote, plus the feedback to let you know when the vehicle has locked-unlocked started is great. The wiring diagram in the instructions was straightforward and to the point. Drone itself makes this unit worth the money. Number 4. DroneMobile X1 LTE. Start your car, unlock it, and more, all from your smartphone or smartwatch. It's like having a key in your pocket, wherever you go. Control and track your vehicle from anywhere with an internet connection. No more worrying about range limitations. It works with most cars on the road. Check compatibility before purchasing to ensure it's right for your vehicle. This module doesn't have a built-in backup battery. For a model with a backup battery, consider the X1 MaxUlt. Professional installation is recommended. You get the DroneMobile X1 LTE module and a convenient tri-state lanyard. Additional parts may be required for some vehicles and are sold separately. Installation instructions, wiring diagrams, and an owner's manual are not included. Professional installation is required for optimal performance and safety. This is an add-on module. It requires an existing Compustar remote start system or similar to function correctly. What we like. Control your car from anywhere using your smartphone. Its compatibility with most vehicles makes it incredibly versatile. If you value smartphone convenience and broad vehicle compatibility, this is the option for you. What people say. Is what it's supposed to be, and works great. Bought this as an upgrade add-on for my existing DC3 Compustar remote start. This was plug and play. I thought I would have go to the guest part of First Tech website and activate this, but I plugged it into the DC3 and within 2 minutes of being plugged in it was ready to be added to my drone app. Very easy, click add, put in serial number and follow the prompts and you're good to go. Installed in about 5 minutes. I connected it to my already installed remote starter. The setup says you need a dealer, however there is an area for non-dealers to activate the product. The instructions will give details on how to do that. Once your product is set up, all you have to do is create and connect your car. It works well with a 30-day premium trial. Number 3. Compustar RFX 2WT9. Experience the future of remote car starters. It offers unparalleled range and control, keeping you connected to your vehicle like never before. Enjoy instant feedback. It sends real-time confirmations of your commands, ensuring your vehicle responds as expected. Control your vehicle from an impressive distance. It provides reliable connectivity even when you're far away. It features a user-friendly LCD remote with intuitive controls. Navigation is a breeze, making operations simple and efficient. Stay connected to your vehicle through the power of 4G LTE. It seamlessly integrates with DroneMobile for enhanced security and remote access. It offers advanced security features to protect your vehicle. Rest assured knowing your car is safe and secure. What we like. Enjoy the convenience of a two-way remote with an extensive range. The 4G LTE connectivity ensures reliable control from almost anywhere. If you prioritize a long-range, reliable two-way system with 4G LTE, this is a great option. What people say. Works every time. Good distance range for the remote control, and good reception for the drone module, good app to control the entire vehicle. Just had to replace the antenna and it all worked. Also was able to get the DroneMobile module to work without much difficulty. Number 2. Compustar CSX4900-S package. Get ready to experience the ultimate in remote car starting and security with this all-in-one system. It's packed with features designed for your convenience and peace of mind. Enjoy a crystal-clear LCD remote that provides instant feedback. It gives you two-way communication with your vehicle, keeping you connected wherever you are. This system boasts an impressive 3-mile range thanks to its high-performance antenna. You'll have reliable control from a significant distance. It comes with a Blade AL bypass module for seamless integration with your vehicle's security system. Note that professional programming is required for this module. Control it from anywhere using the included X1 DroneMobile module. A separate subscription is needed to unlock its full potential. Remember, this package doesn't include installation instructions or wiring diagrams. Professional installation is highly recommended, as some vehicles may require additional parts. What we like. Experience a superior two-way LCD remote with an impressive range. The included DroneMobile module adds smartphone control capabilities. If you want a top-of-the-line system with extra range and smartphone integration, this is for you. What people say. The app allows you to set up ranges for alerts, check your car battery health and all the regular things, start, lock, open trunk, Incredible range, features and most of all the DroneMobile and app. Number 1. Compustar Drone X1 Max LTE. It's the ultimate telematics GPS alarm module, adding smartphone control and GPS tracking to your security system. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your vehicle is always protected. Control and track your car from virtually anywhere with its powerful LTE connection and 3G fallback. It offers industry-leading coverage and reliability, keeping you connected. It has a built-in backup battery that triggers an alert if your main battery is disconnected. Plus, it's equipped with sensors to detect intrusion, shock, and more. Remotely start your vehicle, unlock it, and access many other features directly from your smartphone. It puts you in control, no matter where you are. It provides real-time GPS tracking, push notifications for security alerts, and even curfew alerts. Stay informed about your vehicle's location and activity. It offers comprehensive security monitoring, including alerts for intrusion, towing, and even hit and runs. It helps keep your vehicle safe and secure. It's compatible with most vehicles and comes with everything you need for easy installation. Enjoy seamless integration with your existing security system. What we like. It offers a built-in backup battery and advanced security features. The LTE and GPS provide ultimate control and tracking. If you prioritize security and peace of mind, with a backup battery and comprehensive tracking, this is the one for you. What people say. Installation into the iData remote start took about 30 seconds. Setup in the app was easy. I had it operational in less than half an hour. It works perfectly. Plug and play. The best part, you can use DroneMobile on your Apple Watch. My watch has cellular on its own, so I'm never using my remote again. Love the features, the tracking especially. But it monitors the temperature of your car and the battery voltage too. Just a super convenient add-on to your remote starter. You can even add commands to Siri to start or lock the car, for example. Took me 15 minutes to install and activate, though my cell phone works perfectly. The DroneMobile app is awesome. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.